Hello everyone, welcome to IdeaBox Creations, and today in this video I'll show you how you can use the animated gradient background feature of PowerPack Elements add-on for Elementor. With this feature you can add appealing and interesting background designs to your website designs in no time. So let's go ahead and check out how you can use this feature. Before you can start using this feature, make sure you have the latest version of PowerPack Elements add-on and the Elementor plugin installed and activated on your website. Open the page where you want to add an animated gradient background and open it using the Elementor editor. The one that you are looking at right now is a simple gradient design without any animations. Let's see how you can change this to an animated background gradient design. Open the page using the Elementor editor and select the section for which you want to change the background. Now in the section settings, go to the Style tab. Here you will see two subsections, background and PowerPack background. The one that is being displayed right now is using the standard gradient feature of Elementor. Simply click on the gradient button to disable it. Now to enable the animated gradient background feature of PowerPack, go to PowerPack background and enable the option. Now finally, you can add gradient colors and set the angles for your gradient animation using the options below. For this example, I am adding 4 different colors to show you the variety and the effects of gradient background. You can add as many colors as you want, and further you can change the order of the colors by simply dragging and dropping them. After you have made all the changes, you can go ahead and click on the update or publish button to make the changes live. Just like the gradient designs, you can add multiple animated gradient designs on multiple sections on a single web page, and if you want, you can add animated gradient designs to inner sections as well. Let me know what you think of the animated gradient background feature of PowerPack Elements add-on for Elementor. If you found this feature useful or attractive, do leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Elementor related content. Thank you for watching.